Okay, just so you know, AK was a person in this video, but just so you know, I'm sorry about all the stuff I said yesterday. So, yeah, so I'm so sorry on all the stuff I said because I have a lot of anger issues. A lot of anger issues. A lot. But anyways, this video was from yesterday and no. This video was from 2 days ago, and then we made this video. But then one day after it, we trash talked and stuff. That's why back home I got mad. But today is the day after that day, the day that I'm gonna upload the video, which was made 2 days ago. So anyways, AK's in this video, and I'm just so sorry that happened. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna be doing a Nerf Gun Battle. And this is this random Zacharia. Okay, Zacharia. And this is my other friend. So we're gonna be doing a Nerf Gun Battle, and let's just spread out. Okay, let's just spread out, okay guys? Let's just spread out. We didn't start yet, but we are gonna start. I'll do the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so I have my Nerf gun right now. Got my Nerf gun. There's people right now. Reloading! I got him! Oh, he got him! He got Zacharia! Okay, guys, so first 1 to 3 rounds wins. Right now, no. Right now, him and me are fighting. Zacharia's out. He just got out by him. And let's just start. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he got me.
Yeah. We're playing now.
Wait, so you have a real channel?
And
no, now we're doing a new match.
Yeah,
AK won 1 round. There's supposed to be 3 rounds. First 1 to 2 rounds of winning wins.
Okay, so Zacharia.
Let's just spread out right now. I'm in. I'm in
Yeah,
too.
let's
Let's just spread out right now. I'm in two, guys, right?
Okay, guys, there's like an actual storm happening right now. We're just like spreading out of the gun machine places. Just get out of here. Okay. Get out of here. Okay, I think there's someone following me. I'm just gonna get the gun in. Okay. Slot. We got Slot. Okay, he missed. He's right after me. He's after me. Okay, I'm just gonna jump on this ledge. Okay, I'm in Slot's back here right now. Okay, he's really after me. He's after my gun. He's after my guts. Okay, I'm gonna get him. Okay, anyway. Hey, Gums, how you doing?
I'm monitoring.
Yeah, he's just helping Hums to track me down. Okay, so that's right there. I think he's going on the backside of the lakes. I'm gonna backtrack Slot. And no scoping in front of camera. You guys can't see. Listen.
Wait, you don't know where the bullet landed?
Dude, the bullet landed right there.
Where?
Right here. Reloading. Okay, we're gonna go to the lakes. We're gonna get this guy.
I don't even make money out of this, so. Just like.
Ooh! Yeah! Please, let's go! We got this! Okay, Slot's out. How do you feel right now, Slot? Like you were gonna
I
win
don't
this
feel
match?
like
You're
I'm
gonna
gonna
wreck it?
win. AK might win this in the first 2 games.
By the way, I'm a pro, guys, so he just wanted to add a pro to the video. Ask the audience.
Oh,
Yeah, literally. Okay, guys, as you know, I won the last round. I'm gonna win this round the same way.
now if he gets Zacharia,
Yeah, if I get Zacharia,
he is gonna be
Okay, Zachariah, we spotted Zachariah. We're getting this guy down. Okay. Out. Boy.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today, oh my god, we already did it. Why am I saying that? Anyways, AK won the battle, so I said 3 matches, but he already won 2 out of 3. And we said first 1 to 2 out of 3 matches, but we already did 3 matches, so yes, if you guys want, I could do one more match. Should I? Yeah, let's go for another match. But you guys already know AK won. Okay. AK won. Let's just go for another match. And all the stuff, like all the stuff I said to him like yesterday, I'm sorry. Like all the stuff I said, like I'm sorry. So yeah, let's play one more match. The match, Zachariah, as you know, if you already watched this video, he doesn't live here. Like AK is my 3-step neighbor, just 3 steps away. Hamza is the person in the back. It's 2 steps away, but he's not included in the video because he didn't even play a single match. If you guys are okay with it, Zachariah is not going to play in this match. It's only going to be AK and me. It's going to be kind of like a quick match. Just for fun, though, because, like, he already won. This is just going to be kind of like a training camp or something. Just one match. So, yeah.